Hi everybody. This is going to be my second video from my introduction. I think we left off at I tried to commit suicide. My wife had to come in and find me like that. Um, I had vomited everywhere and she didn't know what was going on, so she took me to the bathroom, cleaned me up, cleaned up the bed, and I don't remember any of it, and I couldn't walk back to the bed, so she had to go get my walker to help me get to the bed. And I was stumbling and fumbling everywhere. The next couple of days were really hard. I don't remember an entire bunch of it. She does, and I guess during that time I told her what I had done. She was very, very surprised, as was I that I actually did it. It wasn't until the third day after afterwards that late at night between 3:30 and 4:10 in the morning, um, it felt like I tried to stay awake all night because for some reason I knew I was going to die, even though I survived, the initial overdose of medication. I just had a feeling I was going to die. And before that, I was like really giddy and happy, and food tasted good and everything. And it was like, but really, really emphasized or whatever. Um, so I tried to stay awake all night, doing little things to try and keep myself awake. Well, it didn't work. At 3:38 was the last time I remember looking at the clock, and I'm not sure what you want to call it, but it's like I was looking at myself from within my own body, but I started going into violent convulsions and shaking. The entire bed just shaking, shaking, shaking. And I remember thinking, God, don't take me. Don't take me now, please. I can't let my wife see me like this. And I could see myself, and I was just laying there, eyes wide open, unable to speak, unable to move. Um, and the shaking eventually stopped, and I knew if I didn't do something else, then I was going to die. And all I could think about was her, finding me like that and leaving her like that, because I didn't want a corpse just laying on the bed with their eyes wide open. Nobody wants to walk into something like that. And sorry, hold on. And I remember after thinking, I don't want to die, I don't want to die. I got to do something else to get her attention. I thought I had screamed as loud as I could. At least it sounded like that in my head. Um, I was screaming her name. Meanwhile, the pain inside my body consumed me. It was like lightning bolts and big bass booming, and I couldn't handle it. And my heart beating out my chest. Um, she woke up. I remember seeing her turn on the lamp, sit up, and ask me what was wrong. But again, I couldn't move or talk, so she didn't know. And then we went to the hospital. And that's where I had some revelations and some first residual anger. It was really, really frightening and really, really scary, to go through all of that, to feel all that pain and not be able to move, not be able to speak. And my last prayer was, don't let me die, which was answered. And that's what this whole thing is about. Take 5 minutes a day just for you. Whether you pray or your diary, whatever, it doesn't matter. You take 5 minutes a day for self-love. If you don't know how, we can learn together. I'm learning now. But I'm going to go ahead and keep making these videos. And remember, at least 5 minutes a day for self-love. Pray, diary, yoga, anything. Anything and everything, because that's very important. And I guess I'll see you next time, where I'll try and continue the story and we can go from there. Take care, everybody. Bye.